Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got this Hive Radiator valve that has that's fully packed and it's going to be unboxed in this video. This works only with Hive thermostats, as you should be aware. It won't work with any other thermostats. It might work, I haven't tested that, but this is obviously proprietary Hive. I've got Hive at my home and it connects pretty much nicely with that, and obviously with the Hive app then you can use this to schedule or manually change the temperature and things like that. I don't think it would work with any other thermostats unless they are smart or integrated with the Hive setup. But yeah, it might be something that you'd want to explore. I haven't personally explored that and I haven't had the need, to be honest. Let me just quickly unbox this. I don't have my proprietary setup, so I'm going to use my nails, of course. It might be a bit hard though, but it's pretty much on the go. So it is a bit hard, but there we are. Opens up. But just before that, let me quickly just show you around the box. So, the front of the box, temperature, picture of the radiator. You never have to heat an empty room again with a smart radiator valve. Introducing things like control, works with or without a Hive thermostat. So there you are, answered already. So without a thermostat, you can just use the app to control. Ultra quiet motor with anti-stick protection, easy to fit for most radiators, linked to other Hive devices with Hive actions. So there we are, and stuff about the package, the address and things like that. Box includes the thermostatic radiator valve head, valve adapters, M30 and Danfoss RA, 2 AA batteries included, and it requires Hive Hub and Hive app compatible radiator valve. So there we are. Right, so let's go into the box. So in the box you've got the instruction manual or quick start guide that explains a little bit about how you'd use. It's everything pretty much explained in the app itself. If you were to use the Hive app, you'd have to get to install new device and find the radiator valve right there in the heating area, heating options. But that's the reading, the quick start guide that really says go to the app and get it installed. This is your adapter guide that sits on top of the radiator valve, the top of that, and that will then decide which sort of adapter would you need. There are 2 adapters included, the M30 and the Danfoss. This one's the Danfoss, which has got the screw on the side with a screw equipment. Where is that on? Inside somewhere? Yeah, there we are. So screw equipment. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is something that you might have seen with curtains at home. That's pretty much what it is, really. It's the same screwing little area there, and the tool. This is the most common adapter, M30. That sits on top of most radiators. That's sat on top of mine as well, and this works. It's pretty much just sits on top. You need to use the connection and then screw this up on top of the side of the radiator. Obviously remove the old one, then use the AA batteries to install in the radiator valve based on where you are. And how this comes off, let me just quickly, you need to press this button at the back and just push it. I can't do this with one hand. Maybe I can just give it a try. Maybe from here, and let's try and show you how this will work. Press this button and push this thing out. There you are. And now the batteries can then simply be installed right in there. but the recommendation is not to install the batteries before it's been set up and sat on top of the radiator itself. Running away. Let me just quickly get these batteries out. So the 2 AA batteries, and as you can see, there we are. The 2 batteries would be sat inside in the combination. This is the screen that would show you the temperature, and then you can cover this thing up with the head here, this one here. And that should be sat obviously against the screen like so. And this is pretty much the radiator that comes out of the box. Just a little bit of a logo on the top, you might see in reflection, and at the bottom nothing really, just plastic stuff. This whole black stuff is plastic. I don't think it's rubber anyway. Then this would then press against the top on the valve to then open or close automatically using the radiator. The battery then uses battery capacity to then automatically to provide power, and then you can use the connection, the Wi-Fi setup with your phone app that can then be used to connect to the Hive app, where you can regulate or adjust temperature, time, schedulers and things like that, thereby achieving a fully automated home heating system. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any further questions or anything of that sort, please do let me know. I will do another video, of course, to demonstrate how this works and how this is sat on top of your existing radiator setup. I have actually done that video already. It's just a thing that I couldn't publish that because this had to be done first. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any further questions or queries, do let me know. Do post on the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Man Express. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye.